Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a huge print-on-demand store with HyperSku and Shopify. We'll jump right into it. Print-on-demand, it's by far the best business online. I'm going to teach you how to do it the right way, and nothing even comes close. Print-on-demand is by far the best business model online today. You could sell hundreds of different high-quality products without ever buying them up front. And of course, you have things like t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, women's apparel, pretty much anything you could think of, wall art, shoes, right? There's so many different print-on-demand products out there. And the real question is, who is the best print-on-demand partner? And a really popular strategy for Shopify store owners is to partner with HyperSku to integrate their entire catalog of print-on-demand and their entire catalog of dropshipping products all in one app. It's super, super powerful. I know a lot of you want to do print on demand. I know a lot of you want to do drop shipping. With HyperSku, you could do both at the same time inside of your Shopify store with the same app. Really, really powerful. And if you want to do this, you might run into some pain points. There's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. That's why you need to use an app. And that's why you're going to use the HyperSku app. I'll show you this over the shoulder as we go through this video. The really important thing about the app, it needs to be super, super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be some type of e-commerce expert. You don't need to have 20 years of experience. You don't need to be a coder or programmer or anything like that. And really important, the app must offer full print-on-demand capabilities and full dropshipping capabilities at the same time, in the same app, in your Shopify store. And if you want to do this the right way, you're going to use HyperSku. This is what I use. This is what I highly, highly recommend. It's incredibly powerful. It literally combines two of the best business models that are out there for e-commerce. You got print on demand and you've got drop shipping. And you see the link directly below this video. We'll go over the shoulder. You see hypersku.com and tons of information over here about how you can build a sustainable long-term business with all their different solutions: sourcing, fulfillment, customization, USA-based warehousing, and of course, print on demand. And there's a super powerful HyperSku Shopify app. You see a massive 4.9 out of 5-star review on over 200 reviews. The bottom line is this is a really, really powerful app, and it's incredibly easy to use. Tons and tons of diverse choices for your products. Winning product recommendations, drop shipping, print on demand. It's all available right inside of the app. Customization and branding as well. So you could take your store and take your brand to the next level. You have design with print on demand, custom products, private labeling, branded packaging, eco-friendly and unique product designs. You're literally able to take your brand to the next level with these customizations and, of course, the premium print on demand techniques that are going to make your brand ready to scale. You want to do embroidery? No problem. You want to do screen printing? No problem. You want to do heat press? No problem. You see the different types of examples of really unique printing that you simply don't find with other print-on-demand providers. It's really, really high-end. It's really, really high-class in terms of product pricing as well. You'll be able to make a lot of money when you sell with HyperSku, and a lot of great product recommendations, and of course, the all-in-one dashboard, so you'll see everything. Your dropshipping, your print-on-demand, your analytics, all in one place. It's really, really powerful. They have great support as well. All you need to do is press the install button. We're going to press install. You could follow along step by step. We're going to get HyperSku set up right inside of our store. All you need to do is click the link below this video and simply just follow along step by step. So we'll go ahead and press install. This is going to bring us back into our Shopify store, where we're simply going to go ahead and press install here to grant permission. HyperSku is now going to be installed in our Shopify store. We'll go ahead and create our HyperSku account, and you'll be brought right into your HyperSku dashboard. And this is going to be where you're able to see all of your stats on kind of quick glance on the dashboard, things like available balance, pending payments, and all the rest of the information. You could even drill down and take a look at order summaries and see different charts for trends like order sellers, your best sellers over weeks and months. All this data will, of course, start to automatically fill once you go through the process of running your business. Really, when you're inside here, there's a whole menu that you'll have access to, and we're going to spend a lot of time under search products. This is where we're going to be able to find all of those amazing dropship products that are available with HyperSku. We can literally search through all these different categories. You see recommended products as well. Lots of great ways to find amazing products. We have full AliExpress sourcing built in as well. You can either do it through URL or through image. Really, really cool here, and it's an easy way to quickly get your AliExpress product sourced with HyperSku. In the branded services section, lots of great ways to build your brand. Thank you cards, stickers, branded boxes that are fully customized. You see customized bags as well, vacuum compression, tagging, right? Label sewing. They even do QC quality checking. Really powerful, really high quality as well. It's a great way to really take your brand to the next level, and you can do it right inside the HyperSku app. But best of all, they have incredible print-on-demand services right inside of HyperSku. Endless possibilities, literally going to have premium printing techniques like foam printing, embroidery, vinyl. I'll show you some more examples. It's really, really powerful, and it's all built into the app. You can get all of their high-end techniques, luxury embroidery, and really stand out from the crowd when it comes to print-on-demand. With HyperSku, you'll be able to expand your product offering. Pet accessories, branded dog collars, personalized gear. This sells like crazy with some really great profit margins. You've got apparel and fashion, of course, stylish intimates, custom shoes, designer backpacks. These are products that have high ticket margins and are going to sell easily throughout your store, and it doesn't matter what niche you're in. Creative arts like puzzles, glass paintings, premium lithographs. You won't find this with other print-on-demand providers. Shaped cushions, luxury towels, engraved bracelets, incredible amounts of POD, and of course it all integrates directly inside of Shopify, and zero risk, of course. But on top of that, personalization, customization, next level printing. If you want to stand out from the crowd, you absolutely need to use HyperSku for print on demand. And here's some of the cool examples. I really want to focus on the uniqueness. And this is embroidery example over here with print on demand for HyperSku. You're not going to find this anywhere else. And these products can sell for a premium. So you're going to get the most margin you see over here. Again, super, super unique with the different types of printing. Really crisp prints every single time. Show you some more cool examples as we scroll down here. Right, really, really cool. You're not going to find this type of printing elsewhere. And, when you have products that aren't found anywhere else, that's how you build that successful long-term brand. We'll even show you some of the personalization options over here. So you could have people upload a photo or upload a photo of their dog's face. You could build customized pet pillows. You could have customized tags over here. You could have customized lithographs and artworks and pillows and t-shirts, anything that you could imagine. And the best part about customizing, and we could do this for home decor as well with HyperSku, is that these are going to sell for higher prices because we allow for the customization. And of course, we have more items that can be personalized, like phone cases and tech accessories, watches. So the list goes on. We have phone stands and the ability to customize things like watch bands, right? It's all about sticking out. It's about standing out from the competition. It's about leveraging HyperSku's incredible offering of print-on-demand capabilities to build your store. So that was HyperSku, and as you saw, a really, really easy to use app. It makes jumping into print-on-demand and dropshipping with HyperSku incredibly easy because it's the easiest app out there. You can get it installed in just a few seconds, and if you follow along with this video, again, you'll be able to get your products up and running ASAP. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Leave a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. Otherwise, I hope HyperSku helps you make a ton of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.